Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
This is your Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, August the 18th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. There's a look at our satellite view this morning, and we've got a good deal of clouds, plus a little bit of patchy fog over the southeastern United States. We see on the surface pattern a large high-pressure system basically over the middle Mississippi River Valley, but the frontal system that is draped across the area from New England all the way down across the Ohio River Valley and into Texas is basically staying put for several days, and that plus the upper air atmosphere is keeping us pretty unsettled. There's the sounding from the Shelby County Airport last night, and the thing that's noticeable there is the precipitable water values basically at around 2 inches, so it's very, very moist. We do have a trough moving through the area today. That's going to help to keep things very unsettled. We are starting the day out basically fairly mild with temperatures in central Alabama in the mid-70s for the most part, lower 70s across many of the sections of North and South Alabama. Radar is a little bit active this morning, especially to our west and north. And the watch warning map over the continental United States is basically fairly inactive. All the gray that you see are dense fog advisories, and we do have a few flash flood watches there in the mid-Atlantic states. QPF, we're looking at some pretty good rains here over the next 5 days. This is through Thursday morning. We're looking at on the average of probably on the order of maybe as much as 2 to 3 inches over a fairly widespread area. The excessive precipitation outlook includes a marginal risk over a good portion of the southeastern U.S., plus some slight risks there in the eastern slopes of the Rockies. The SPC folks have a marginal risk for severe weather on the eastern slopes of the Rockies, but not anywhere else. And that marginal risk moves a little closer into Oklahoma and parts of Arkansas and Texas on day 2, that's Sunday. And then Monday, it actually has a marginal risk over a good portion of the middle Mississippi River Valley. And the tropics have become a little quieter. We no longer have Ernesto. It became post-tropical this morning. And in the eastern North Pacific, we basically have Lane well out away from land, and then we have another area of disturbed weather still way out from land. All right, the 06 GFS model run, and there's our precipitable water values, and you can see why it's going to be somewhat unsettled. There's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere there, especially with a good southwesterly flow aloft and the low-level surface pattern featuring a good number of showers. And there comes the trough that we saw just a moment ago, and it is moving through the southeastern U.S. Now we continue to see kind of almost a little weak ridge, but it's very short-lived there on Sunday, so I think we stay pretty unsettled. The precipitable water value is still well up there, so heating of the afternoon should keep showers fairly numerous. On Monday, we see the little bit of a ridge that's moving by, but we're focused more on the large trough coming in to northern Missouri there. But at the precipitable water values, you can see, are just really staying well above 2 inches. So it's going to stay rather wet through Monday. And Tuesday, we see that trough coming by. And that's when we begin to see some changes. Yes, Tuesday is going to be another unsettled day, and there's our precipitable water values, but we do notice the drier air to our northwest, and that is going to be making its way our way, and that comes about on Wednesday as we see more or less a broad trough, kind of got a couple of axes here, one over the eastern Great Lakes, and then another one stretching from the upper peninsula of Michigan back into Iowa. And that's going to be digging in, but look what it does. It lowers the precipitable water values to below 1 point, it looks like about 1.4. So that's quite a change, and I think that means we're going to dry out substantially. The trough does dig in Thursday, so Thursday morning we could actually see temperatures in the lower 60s. Again, as that drier air really comes into our area, notice that across the northern a third of Alabama, we're looking at precipitable water values that could be approaching about 1.1 inches. That will be fabulous. The overall trough sort of stays there. It's a little convoluted on Friday, and we stay with the drier air on Friday. But unfortunately, all good things must come to an end. And we notice that the ridging is taking place on Saturday, upper ridging there over the eastern part of the country in the southeastern U.S., and that means that the precipitable water values will surge back up. They don't get up to 2 inches, but they do surge up, so once again we'll have to introduce the possibility of some scattered showers, I think, probably on Friday and Saturday, isolated at best. Now, looking out into Voodoo Country very quickly, unfortunately, that nice drier air for middle and latter part of August looks like it goes away as we see a very big ridge over the eastern half of the country around Tuesday, the 28th of August, so that looks pretty warm. And then finally, way out there at the 2nd of September, yep, look at that 594 ridge over the central part of the country. That also looks very warm. Well, that'll do it for the Weather Xtreme video for this morning. Expect to have the next one posted first thing on Sunday morning. In the meantime, always check back on the blog for notes on Alabama's weather. Have a great day, stay dry, and Godspeed.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.